Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming requirements. You must be monetized and have a merchant center. Sign in, verify your identity, and accept the partner terms so shopping features appear. Once done, create or connect a Google Merchant Center account and choose the correct country and currency. This links product data to YouTube. Prepare a product feed with accurate titles, GTIN, prices, and clean images, because YouTube pulls that metadata directly to display items alongside your videos. Now you configure shopping inside YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, connect the Merchant Center feed, and select which product set to use. This determines available items. Next, enable product tagging when you upload or edit videos. Add card placements, tag products in the editor, and enable shopping for live streams where supported. Make sure each video meets commerce eligibility, no restricted content, correct region settings, and compliance with policies, because violations will remove shopping access for them. Finish by testing. Publish a private video with product tags and click through every link to confirm images, prices, and descriptions match the merchant feed. Once live, monitor shopping analytics for clicks and conversions and refine titles, images, or pricing to improve performance. If something breaks, check Merchant Center diagnostics for feed errors, review policy violation notices, and confirm the channel to merchant link is active. Often re-verifying the account or fixing a feed attribute resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.